Older but still good, OBSG, episode 3. The CRKT M16 01T. Hello and welcome to Lux Lux Lucem. I am Frank. I've owned this knife since 2011. The M16 was named after the firearm of the same name. It's a Kit Carson design. Kit Carson was an American designer who passed away in 2014 and who popularized flippers on folding knives. He was also Canonion's mentor. This model has a very tapered spearpoint blade made of AUS-8 steel. It's truly a very refined knife. It also has very attractive titanium scales. And then there's the AutoLAWKS system, which is what reconciled me with LAWKS. We had fallen out after an unfortunate incident. The blade of my Gerber Faber & Applegate Cobalt folder snapped shut on my fingers. The AutoLAWKS is a safety feature derived from the LAWKS system, which engages automatically when the knife is opened. You can no longer close the knife using only the liner lock. You must also release the AutoLAWKS system. The M16 virtually becomes a fixed blade knife. Did you notice how smooth the opening is? It doesn't use bearings, but very simple Teflon washers, and at least it's not affected by sand or mud. The M1601T has been with me for almost 15 years. It seems simple, but the AutoLAWKS is a marvel of reliability. The Teflon washers provide a smooth opening with just a flick on the flipper. It's a masterpiece, and on top of that, it's beautiful and slim, which is rare in tactical knives. What do you think of this M1601T? It's beautiful, isn't it? And now I'd like to issue a challenge to Mugen47 and Le Sanglier Brestois. I want you to show me an EDC that you've been using for years. I want to discover your older but still good, your OBSG. And of course, I'd like you to issue the same challenge to another YouTuber. So, see you soon for a new video, and thank you for watching this one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. It really helps out the channel to grow. I'm still Frank, and you're still watching Lux Lux Lucem. Take care, and see you soon.